You probably have a bathroom drawer full of expensive night creams that promise to erase your wrinkles but haven't changed a single line on your face. You might be using special soaps or intimate washes because you feel not quite fresh or uncomfortable down there, yet you are still dealing with dryness and irritation every single day. And perhaps you are the woman who pours a glass of wine at night to help you relax and get in the mood, only to find yourself falling asleep before anything intimate actually happens. You are treating all of these symptoms from the outside, but the root of the problem is deep inside your biology. Your body is currently in a state of what I call biological drought. High stress hormones are systematically drying out your skin, killing your libido, and ruining your sleep quality. I am Dr. Lia Parker, and today I am going to share the specific recipe for what my patients have started calling the Wonder Tea. It is a unique blend I created to target the 3 pillars of female vitality after 60, which are collagen production, deep restorative sleep, and yes, natural lubrication. I am going to explain exactly why your creams and soaps are failing you and how this one simple drink can reboot your entire system overnight. And at the end, I will give you the exact 4-ingredient recipe so you can make it tonight. Comment where you are watching from and what time it is, because I would love to see who is ready to transform their nights. Now let us talk about the first myth, which is the anti-aging cream. You are told over and over again by the beauty industry that if you just find the right cream, your wrinkles will vanish and your skin will plump up. But biologically, skin is built from the inside out, not the outside in. The health of your skin depends entirely on what is happening in your bloodstream while you sleep. If your blood is full of cortisol, which is the stress hormone, it literally eats collagen for breakfast. Cortisol puts your body into a state of emergency, and when you are in an emergency, your body steals resources from your skin to fuel your muscles and brain. This is why no cream can penetrate deep enough to stop that process. The Wonder Tea works so effectively because it targets the cortisol first. When you lower your stress hormones before you go to bed, you unlock your body's natural repair mode. You stop the theft of your collagen and allow the skin to rebuild its structure naturally. But this biological drought is not just affecting your face, it is affecting an area that is even more sensitive and often ignored. Let us talk about the second myth, which is intimate hygiene and the feeling of dryness. I see so many women using scented soaps, douches, and special washes because they feel dry or they worry about odor. They think the solution is to wash more or use more products. Here is the medical truth. A healthy vagina and vulva are self-cleaning and naturally moist organs. If you are experiencing dryness, irritation, or even a change in scent, it is almost always because your mucous membranes are dehydrated from the inside. You cannot wash dryness away. In fact, washing makes it worse because it strips the natural oils. You have to hydrate these tissues from within. The ingredients in the Wonder Tea are chosen specifically because they support the health of your mucous membranes. They help your cells hold on to water, plumping up your skin cells on your face, and crucially restoring natural moisture to your intimate tissues. Think of a grape versus a raisin. A grape is full of fluid and life. A raisin is dried out. We want your cells to look like grapes, and that requires systemic hydration, not a topical wash. And finally, we have to address the third myth, which is the idea of the nightcap or the glass of wine to relax. Many women believe that a glass of wine helps them unwind after a long day and helps them get in the mood for intimacy, but alcohol is a central nervous system depressant. It does not relax you in a healthy way. It numbs you. If you are struggling to reach a climax or feel sensation during intimacy, alcohol is making it significantly harder. It dehydrates you even further, which worsens the dryness we just discussed, and it blocks the blood flow needed for arousal. You might feel mentally loose, but your body becomes physically unresponsive. The Wonder Tea does the exact opposite of wine. It contains ingredients that relax your nervous system without numbing your nerve endings. It calms the anxiety that blocks an orgasm, but it simultaneously increases blood flow to the pelvic floor. It wakes up your nerve endings while putting your busy mind to sleep. So instead of a sedative, I want you to think of this tea as a sensual activator. It prepares your body to feel everything, whether that is the softness of your sheets, the touch of a partner, or just your own profound relaxation. Now let me tell you about the star ingredient in this tea because it is the one that connects your glowing skin directly to your sex life. The star ingredient is hibiscus. You might know it as a tart, red tea that you see in grocery stores, but in herbal medicine, hibiscus is known as a potent vasodilator. What does that mean? It means it physically opens up your blood vessels and allows blood to flow freely. This is critical for two reasons. First, it flushes your skin with oxygen and nutrients while you sleep, which is how you wake up looking glowing and refreshed instead of gray and tired. But second, and this is the secret, it sends blood flow directly to the pelvic region. Blood flow is the primary mechanism of arousal. Without strong blood flow, you feel dry, numb, and disconnected. Hibiscus gently encourages circulation to those dormant areas. It is also incredibly rich in vitamin C. Your adrenal glands, which are the factories that produce your sex hormones after menopause, require more vitamin C than any other organ in your body. By feeding them hibiscus, you are supporting your ability to produce testosterone and estrogen naturally. Most women notice a difference in their skin texture within a week of drinking this, but they also notice a subtle increase in their libido. It is not magic, it is simply better circulation. But hibiscus needs a partner to help you sleep deeply. That is where the second ingredient comes in. The second ingredient is lemon balm. We talked earlier about cortisol being the enemy of your collagen and your libido. Lemon balm is the shield against cortisol. Clinical studies show that lemon balm increases a neurotransmitter called GABA in the brain. GABA acts like the brakes for your racing thoughts. It stops the worry about your children, your health, and your finances. But here is why this matters for your intimate life. When your mind is racing, your pelvic floor muscles unconsciously tense up and clamp down. You cannot have an orgasm or feel pleasure if your pelvic floor is tense and your mind is busy. Lemon balm creates the physical and mental space for pleasure. It allows your muscles to soften and your mind to drift into deep, restorative sleep. This deep sleep is when your body releases growth hormones to repair your skin. And the final touch isn't an herb at all. It is a healthy fat that acts as the delivery system for all these benefits. This is the Wonder Tea recipe. I recommend drinking this 60 minutes before you plan to go to sleep. It covers all the bases including skin, sleep, and sensation. Here is exactly what you need. You need 1 bag of organic hibiscus tea or 1 tablespoon of dried hibiscus flowers. This is your circulation booster and your collagen protector. You need 1 bag of lemon balm tea or 1 tablespoon of dried leaves. This is your stress buster and your pelvic relaxant. You need a pinch of cinnamon. This stabilizes your blood sugar overnight so you do not wake up hungry or with a cortisol spike at 3 a.m. And the secret ingredient is half a teaspoon of coconut oil. Here is why you must add the oil. Your sex hormones are made of fat. Your cell membranes are made of fat. By adding a tiny bit of healthy fat to the tea, you help your body absorb the fat-soluble nutrients from the herbs, and you literally lubricate your tissues from the inside out. Brew the teas together in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the bags or strain the flowers. Stir in the coconut oil and the cinnamon until the oil is melted. Drink it warm. Feel the warmth spreading through your chest and down to your belly. Visualize it hydrating every cell in your body. It tastes tart and comforting, and it works. Comment recipe if you want the printable card for the Wonder Tea so you don't forget it. And if you want to learn more about reconnecting with your body, check out the Art of Touch or Reconnection guides in the store. Stop fighting your body with harsh products. Nourish it instead. Thanks for watching.